guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is Glossybox. Glossybox, for those of you who don't know, is a monthly subscription box. It is a beauty box. There's lots of different payment options. I will leave links down below. I've also got a discount code that I'll put here for you guys. This is sent to me in PR, but before it was sent to me in PR, I had my own subscription because I loved it. So all opinions are my own because you guys will call me out for lying if I said something was amazing and it wasn't. So there's no point in lying. Anyway, let's get it. So this is the February box. Oh, it's pretty. If my camera wants to see it, 'cause it's so bright in here today. So bright. There you go, it's pink. There we go. And it says love and more. So it's just love in different languages. That's really pretty. Let's get it in. So love crosses borders is what the little doodad says. I'm gonna do it and have a look. Get old pen. Oh, I've just ripped all the paper. Like, there we go. Not that you can see. There you go. Let's have a look. So, let's share the love, Glossies. February is the month of love, so embracing the universal language and celebrating it in all its forms with Glossies around the world. I love you, je t'aime, ich lieb dich, jeg elsker deg. I'm not very good at speaking other languages. To share all that love with you, we've carefully selected a range of products from some of our favourite brands across the globe. Use these beauty must-haves together with and you'll have dewy skin, a kissable pout and gorgeous eye makeup. Better yet, we've hidden 10 golden tickets inside our boxes. Find one and you'll be the winner of the new Silk Epil 9 Flex by Braun, which sounds like a epilator maybe? I don't know. I'll put it on the screen if I find out what it is. The sneak peek for March is an Ico Black Magic Mascara. I always forget to do that and everyone always tells me off, so let's just grab something. The first thing I've got is by Figs and Rouge and it is Wonder Love Charm Glow Elixir. Oh, what do you do? Love begins right here in the UK, so we're introducing you to a newly launched elixir from the British brand Figs and Rouge. Formulated with hydrating hyaluronic acid and vitamins A, C and E, as well as minerals, rose water and rose quartz. Please don't smell like rose. I hate rose. It's pretty though, look. Really pretty. Let's have a little, £35 full size. Let's have a little dib dab on my hand and see what it smells like. Oh God, I've just gone far too much. See if we can suck some back up. Oh, we can, we're fine. No, it doesn't smell like rose. You can see it's really, oh wow. Have I got makeup on? Have I got makeup on? No, I haven't. Let's just shove some on my face. I can't remember. I've just been out to gymnastics with my biggest girl. And I couldn't remember if I've got makeup on. So this is like a base, I think. Massage 3 to 6 drops directly onto your cleansed skin for a revitalised glow. Oh, it's a little bit, I can see it in the sunlight. It's a little bit like there is a shimmer in it. So if you don't like to look like you're shining, you probably won't like this. But I do like a glittery face. That's very nice. Next up, we've got Saint Luxe Lip Liner Duo. This is £23. With these lip pencils, you'll be in love at first sight. You'll receive 2 stunning shades, both of which glide effortlessly onto your lips and deliver some serious colour. You can create a natural look by tracing your lip line or overlining your lips and blending. So they're a pink and a red. They're full size and they're sealed in here as well. Why does everything have to be wrapped in plastic? Drives me insane. Oh, right, I love the packaging. It's really pink. Kind of reminds me of like, is it the KKW Beauty that's like the pale pink? So we've got a red which is called Crush and we've got a pink which is called Cupid. Oh my God. Ugh. If you can hear some weird noises, There's 3 children in that room just there with their dad. I'm not just abandoning them, but the baby is making noises. Oh, good God. This is ridiculous. Christ on a cracker. Right, I'm just going to sack off the lid. So Cupid was a really pretty kind of peachy corally pink, really pretty. And then Crush, oh, it's a really lovely red. It's a pinky red, really pretty. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Oh, I like those, I like them. I've just got to try and rescue the lid of that one from its little plastic prison. I'll just do that for now and then that's safe. Lovely. Next up, we've got a Star Skin Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask. Ooh! I really like Star Skin. I've had quite a lot of their masks before. Full size, oh, this is Deluxe Mini, £4.25. Full size is £8.50. How is it a mini if it's a lip mask? Surely it's just the same size over your lips. Marrying Swiss and Korean beauty expertise, this plumping and hydrating lip mask is a secret to soft, smooth pout. Biocellulose sheet mask technology, which makes it perfectly fit onto your lips, but it is infused with deeply nourishing coconut juice. That sounds gross. Apply it onto your lips for 15 minutes, peel off, and then massage in any excess serum. Why does coconut juice sound gross? But I'm very excited to use it. I'll have a go on that later. Lovely. Next up is Floss. What are you? My new favourite lip gloss. I generally don't wear lip gloss, but Ben got me some Kylie Cosmetics ones for Christmas, and it has turned me a little bit. I am a fan. Oh, it's a pretty colour. I love the packaging as well. Really nice. Full size, £12.30. The American Beauty brand is helping you to show your palette some love with this hydrating and long-lasting formula. Lip gloss is sure to become your new favourite. Use it alone for a delicate tint of colour and a semi-sheer finish, or over to add some shine. So let's just put it on and see. Oh, it smells good. It smells a bit like candy floss. It is a very light colour, but it's really pretty. I like it. It's quite comfy. It doesn't feel massively sticky, and I like it. You can see it's quite a nice, it's a natural kind of, yeah, I like it. And then the last thing is a brush, and it's a Glossybox brush. Oh no, is it? No, it says Glossybox on it. It says Inuit. Across the border with the poetic universe of Korean brand Inuit with this glittery eyeshadow brush. Not only does this vegan and cruelty-free tool boast a beautiful and shimmery handle, but its soft synthetic bristles are perfect for creating gorgeous eye looks. My handle's not glittery. My handle's not glittery. Mine just says Glossybox on it. Yeah, I don't think I've got the same one, because this is an eyebrow pencil. This isn't, like, I think this is an eyeliner or a lip brush maybe. But that's not the same brush as this. Look, that's the one in the thing, and it's got glitter. Yeah, mine's not the same one. So I've got a different brush. I don't know why. I'm happy with it. I think I'd use this as an eyebrow brush, but I think it probably is a lip brush or a liner brush. But it's really nice. It's a Glossybox one, and it's pink with the rose gold, so that's nice too. I don't know why it's different to the other one, but it is. So if you don't get that one, then maybe message Glossybox. I'll message them. I'll message my contact at Glossy and find out, and if I can find anything out, I'll put it on the screen, or I'll put it in the description box down below, because it's a weekend, so they might not be there, but I'm still happy with that. That's lovely. Yeah, so that was February's Love Crosses border box. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you did. That would be lovely. Bonk the little bell somewhere. The reason I'm wearing a coat inside when it's blatantly quite warm is because my shoulder is covered in baby snot, and I didn't want to I didn't want to have that in the video the whole time. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all really, really soon. Bye guys.